Now, don't move it, put it in reverse. Put the car in reverse and hold it there. Hold it.
Tuesday, June 24th, 2003, Manchester, South Dakota.
Take off! Take off!